Okay. Hello, good afternoon, everybody. We are once again back with yet another day of our 21 days LinkedIn Impromptu Debate Challenge. And since today it's my turn to host the show, so without further wasting any more time, let's jump to the subject. And today I have come up with a technical topic, which is AI versus HI. Will artificial intelligence replace human intelligence? So let's get started. Now I would be dividing my teammates into their respective teams. So in one team there would be Karan and Mahin, and in the other team there would be Amit and Vishal. So you can
Okay.
take 30 seconds to think about the who will be picking up the favor of the motion, and who will be speaking against of the motion. So please.
Pause the recording.
So now my teammates have come up with their team names, and also that they have decided what to take, like favor or motion. So we have team Bruce Banner, in which there are Vishal and Amit, and they would be speaking in against the motion that artificial intelligence cannot replace human intelligence. And on the other hand, we have team Jarvis, which includes Mahin and Karan, and they would be speaking in favor of the motion that artificial intelligence will replace human intelligence. So let's get started. So first, I would like to invite the captain from the team Bruce Banner, who is Amit, right? Hello.
Vishal.
Okay, I would like to invite Vishal to give his opening remarks from the team.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, host, for giving the
You would be
opportunity
getting
to
1
speak.
minute 30.
Okay. So yeah, so as we have decided that human brain can't be replaced by artificial intelligence. So yeah, for proving that, I'll put some points, some facts, so that you can easily understand why human intelligence never be replaced by artificial intelligence. So first of all, artificial intelligence doesn't have any uh, like human human brains types feelings, and they can't feel, or they doesn't have any emotions. Like if we talk about any corporate company, or they want to some work to done by their employees, or you some work is assigned to you, and first of all, a employee understand what uh, a client wants. I mean, what are the requirements of the clients? Maybe it can be emotional, or feel or and other requirements. So only AI system can't understand the whole requirement of a client. So first of all, a human need to understand the total requirements, and then uh, human put the requirements and generate something. AI can't generate all the things without a human brain. AI can't AI is only made by humans. So AI is not the superior of human brain. Human brain are the superior thing, because humans made the AI, or human will make AI more stronger in future also. So if human is generated by the human brains, so human brain can destroy it also. So this is my pointer.
Okay, very well said by Vishal, and he kept his pointers, opening pointers. Now I would request the captain of team Jarvis, which is Mahin, to counter Vishal's points.
So thank you. So first of all, I want to say, I want to counter the Vishal point, and that is, he said AI made by the human. This is right, but why human make a AI? Because of AI feel fulfilled with our requirement. When employ and something are there, but we need to done with some advanced things. So AI is there to done the task is difficult task is done by the AI in just a second. When any like a boss say to like their employee to do this task in this timing, but employer can't be performed maybe in that time, but AI can perform in just a seconds or a minutes. So that's why AI is a more important in this way. So this is what I want to counter that Vishal point.
Okay, well, very nice counter by Mahin. Thank you, Mahin. Now, I would like to invite Amit from Team Bruce Banner to give a new pointer.
Yeah, thank you, Nikita, for having me on screen. So, first and most important point I would add is creativity. So, as we know that AI is a program or a machine that learns from a combination of manipulation with those data only. But when it comes to human, we have thinking or logical thinking, then we can beat AI in many cases. Maybe AI is more fast than human, but when it comes to intelligence, when it comes to critical thinking, and when it comes to generate new ideas out of the box, not using the previous data out of the box, then humans are far away from, far better than AI. Second thing I would like to talk about that human having critical thinking, they have a logical, the ethical thinking as well. We can manipulate AI. We can feed some data that can lead to generate wrong information sometimes, but humans are not like that. We have some ethical grounds, some moral values. What is morally good, what is morally right, what is ethically good, into some ethical decisions. So the human interface and human are better than AI. Yeah.
So, very nice pointer by Amit. Now, I would invite Karan from Team Jarvis to counter these points.
Okay, so as my opponent, Bruce Banner team said, it is help like human are capable, more capable to for decision making, all the stuff. Okay, but I don't think so, because when human think about anything or he wants to take a decision, there are many factors. They like there are emotional factors and all the stuff, and because of that the whole thing can be a disaster, okay, because of those things. But AI have that capability, so because AI did not have any emotions or other things, so it can take the decision rightfully and perfectly, which is needed. Okay, so that's why your point is invalid because of that. And you are talking about that human brain is more efficient and all the things, then I want to tell you, like, human brain is creative, okay, but it can't think of many ideas at one point. But AI have million, like we use chat gpt and all the things, it go through from millions of test cases, then it give us answers. So it have many data stored in previous only, and it can access that. But human brain is not that much efficient that it can remember all the things at once. So somewhere it is like human can't compete with the AI in that matter. Like if there any problem of math or anything, it can give us a solution in seconds only. But if for human, if it will take it can also take an hour to solve any question. So it will just giving us a is a upper hand on a human on these areas. So that's my counter for you.
Then
Very well countered by Karan. Now, I would invite Vishal from Team Bruce Banner to give some new pointers on this.
Yeah, thank you. So, first of all, I would like to make some new pointers. So, as the opponent team said, there are lots of things which can be easily done by AI, or AI can generate lots of things within a few seconds. Yeah, I totally agree with you. So, because of this, I'll tell you one thing. Because of this, that AI can, the AI is very much powerful, or AI can very much helpful for humans. So AI is just a supporter of humans. They provide several supports to human beings, or this is why human uh, made AI, or humans are working on it to make it more powerful, so that it can help a lot human beings. This is, but the topic is AI can replace or not. So obviously AI never ever replace human brains, because human brains have ability to make AI, or ability to overcome that AI's disadvantages, or you can say destroy AI. So human brains are the main things, or brains are flexible, or human brains have emotional or other than feelings. As Karan said, the emotional feelings sometimes can destroy all the things. But I'll tell you one thing: wherever you are working or whatever you are doing, sometimes you need to think from your heart, or sometimes you need to understand what is the requirement of current time, what are the requirements of your client, what are the company's requirement, what are the cultural values, all the things we have to ensure whenever we are working on a top MNC company or other. We need to ensure the cultural values and the youth requirement also. So this is why human beings are important.
Okay, very nice pointer by Vishal. Now I would like to invite Mahin from Team Jarvis to counter Vishal's points.
So I want to counter that. First of all, I want to say, Vishal repeat the thing all humans make a AI. So I countered that previously, and also the opponent team say about the emotional. So this is also repeating task, and I would to counter that in job and in everything. Emotion is not come like they like opponent team say repeating. Emotion thing is not like that. We need to just take emotions and do what if we take emotions, so we can't done with our task and our job, because we need to just do side our emotions and try to focus on our main work. So this is what I want to counter to opponent team.
Okay, very well countered and within time. Now I would like to invite Karan from the same team to give some new pointers.
Okay, so I have to give new pointer. So basically, I want to give a pointer that after coming of AI, like people are already saying that after coming of AI, jobs are not there because of AI and all the things. So it is somewhere true, because AI is only made for declining the workload from a person. Okay, for declining the workload. So the work which is doing by a person before, and it is taking a hours, but now AI can do it in minutes. So it is taking the thing like jobs and all the things which can be replaceable now, and in future also, like AI is that much efficient right now that people are talking that it is taking job, and in future it become more efficient, and it will, like, it is a danger for a human being, that for job seeking or all the things, because AI is grabbing all, like AI can do anything in any field. You can just type anything and you can take anything. Yeah, like for example, if you are doing any accounting thing and all the stuffs or by yourself, it will take you hours. But when you are just using AI, you just have to give a prompt, and you can easily take out all the accounting things and all the stuffs. And it is going to grow more. It is just starting, and people are saying about these things. But in future, we can realize that in starting they are saying things like this. So in future, it's gonna be okay. So that's my pointer for you.
Okay, very nice pointer by Karan. Now I would like to invite Amit from Team Bruce Banner to counter Karan's points.
Yeah, thank you, Nikita. So I knew this point would come and I was ready for this. So taking positions or taking jobs by AI. So I wanted to put some light on that there are some jobs which requires creativity and which requires moral ethics, as I already said. And other than that, there are other jobs which definitely requires human emotions, like psychiatrics and there are more already jobs, and the jobs that you are talking about is little technical. Those requires computations and all those mathematical stuffs. Those may be acquired by AI or maybe not, because there are some people who are masters of that field, so those are safe. And apart from that, there are also or other places where AI can't even reach, because that specifically needs human interaction and specifically needs human involvement in those fields. So those fields are very safe, and those are way away from AI, because AI can't handle those fields because of those are machines. And yeah, that was my counter.
Very well countered by Amit. Now I would like to invite Vishal from the same team to make some new pointers.
Yeah, thank you, Nikta. So first of all, I'll tell the opponent team that I am not repeating any pointers. I just I just countered in some other way. As you said that AI can just opponent team said that one thing, like if the emotional things happen, so it can destroy all the things. It can be it can affect all the things. So I just justify my sentence. Emotional things is also important very much, or how can it important? This is also I justified in my previous sentences. And then I made one new sentence like innovation always had made only to help humans. Innovate lots of things. There are lots of things which are previously not we have, but we invented these things to help humans only. Like I'll give you example. Like if I talk about previous time, we haven't big machineries to done our works. But now we have lots of big machineries. Like if I talk about previous time, so human did all the works. Human did all the labor work. So there are heavy labor requirements. But after JCB come, so JCB replace the all the labors. JCB can do uh, several labors work in a few seconds. I'll give lots of examples. This is only an example. Let's suppose a note counting machine. So in sometimes we don't have note counting machines, and this is just an example. There are several things which replace all the things, or these are only for helping humans. So this is a technology. AI is also a technology that is developed by humans, or it is only a supporter of humans. This can never replace humans. Yeah, thank you so much.
Very well pointer made by Vishal. Now I would like to invite Mahin from team Jarvis to counter Vishal's points.
So first I want to say how I counter, because they like us say he is favor on our team, and he also said like AI replace the like he say example of the no, not counting machine. So this is the what the AI use AI replace some people to you don't count. I am here like and I will do your task. So this is what opponent said they said. And also they give example of JCB. So in previous years JCB people do the task by their like a stone and everything, and do the whole thing by their own. But after come JCB and this kind of AI technology, so they replace the human by because the AI, because the very heavy stone and a heavy thing can't do work by the people. So this kind of technology already replaced the human. So this is what I want to count.
So nice counter by Mahin. Now I would like to invite Karan from the same team to have some new
Okay.
pointers.
So I want to give counter and pointer both. So basically, my opponents they agree by themselves that technology are replacing human brains. Like he said about JCB and all the things, that after coming of JCB, the human employment is going down, and it take place of the persons. He agreed in front of you. So that's why like he is favoring us. And about talking about Amit. Amit is talking like AI will never take the job of the things, but he also agrees that there are some technical jobs which is taken by the AI right now. Okay, he agreed that there are some technical jobs which is taken by the AI, and I am saying in future it gonna grow more, and there is danger that other jobs are also in danger because of that AI. Okay, and I just want to give new pointer after my counter. So my new pointer is like they are talking about emotions, all the things, which takes the main thing, like the corruption and all the things, like the corruption which is happening in between all the things, in between any process. It will take, like it will not happen if AI is doing all the things, because everything is computing and everything is done by AI. So there is no corruption and any illegal thing happening in between. So that's my point for you, that AI will replace humans. You are also agreeing all the things. So that's my pointer and counter both.
So Karan has put across a very nice pointer. Now I would like to invite Amit from Team Blue's panel to counter Karan's points.
Yeah, thank you, host. So as my teammates said, but what really meant is that AI has taken some positions. Like we can use AI as a side chick, because there are some people who, like, let's say there are some jobs that require ultimate some more human power. Then in that case, AI can be helpful, but it can never replace human as a full-time person, because human will be there and AI will be just it will be in a backseat, just helping humans in their jobs only. So that was what he meant. And talking about the corruption section, that we can, like, if AI are introduced in some field, then it can manage the work. But let me tell you that the chances of error are still there. You can have AI, but the AI cannot stand alone and do the work alone. They need human interference. Humans will be there to handle AI. AI is just a tool, and humans are the drivers, we can say. So human involvement is already there and can never replace AI can never replace human. AI can never stand alone and work as a whole. So it is there. But if I talk about the chances of error, so error can happen with AI as well, because AI has been made by humans only. So there can be some cases where human has made AI in a wrong way, or maybe used in a wrong way. So AI can be dangerous in that case. Yeah, so that was my counter.
So very well countered by Amit. Now I would like to invite Vishal from the Team Bruce panel to make some new pointers.
Thank you, host. So opponent teams just take other, my words are in other direction. I only wanted to tell you guys that there are several inventions already happened, or in future already there are several invention will be happened. The basic of, I mean the overall purpose to tell you the example that human made inventions to their help, that invention help humans, or these are the helping hand of humans. Humans always there to do some improvement or to regulate all the things. If humans are not there, so who regulate the AI, who regulate the machinery? What are the things can be done without humans? So humans always there. Or I'll tell you one more thing. So there are several examples. I'll tell you that there are big machinery come and that replace human labors, but the skilled labors are already there. Skilled labor regulate all the things, run all the things, or if this is the topic the based on AI. So like AI is already there, or human operate AI to get more productivity in less time, or to done their work more efficiently. So AI is a helping hand of humans, you can say. It can never replace human brains, because I already told you, human brains has the flexibility to think in all of the perspectives, which AI can't done. Basically, AI can't think like a human brain. So this is the main thing.
Okay, now nice pointer made by Vishal. Now I would like to invite Karan from Team Jarvis to counter Vishal's points.
Okay, so I just want to counter both of them. Like, first of all, I want to say my opponents are repeating the points again and again. So somewhere I feel I am giving the counter of the same thing. So I just want to give the counter again about the things. I will like my opponent give the examples. I also want to give examples of the things. Okay, so first of all, they are talking about that people are not there are skilled laborers there only. Okay, they are saying that. But like the main thing is when there is people working before AI, there are people working on any project. There are 10 or 12 people. But now, because of AI, it replaces, and there are only 2 people working with the help of AI. So somewhere it is replacing human brains. Okay, we can say that it is replacing human brains. And yes, like for AI, regulating AI, they are need a person. But we are talking about the replace of the persons. So it is replacing persons. Okay. And other thing, like I give you example before. Wait a second. Pause. Start. Okay, I just want to give one more example. Like before, if we go to past times, okay, there is no problem of unemployment and all the things. Before these technologies are not coming, okay, there is no unemployment. But after coming of technology and after upgrading day by day, we can see there is a major issue of unemployment. And because why? Because these technologies are taking the job of humans. Okay, and that is why it is the main problem. Before, like if we go before 10 or 12 years before, there is no such issue of unemployment. Like people are not saying we are unemployed that much and all the things. But now we can see, like in news and all the things, that people are unemployed. Why? Because of coming of technology and these things. And AI is the major part of that, because AI is such a creation which can take, which is capable to take many jobs. Okay, so it is growing day by day, and it can be happen if we are not, if we don't control it properly. And I can say, like in technologies, it happened with the human done mistakes, and human are doing mistake again. They are giving that upper hand to AI. So that's my pointer for you, and sorry, counter for you.
Very well countered by Karan. Now it's turn for Mahin to give some new pointers.
Okay, so I have two things to say. So first of all, opponent is about the AI is also need to operate something. So AI is made for these. Someone operate it, and another, and the work done by the AI is a good way. Like previous day, if 10 people do one thing to done something, but nowadays only one or two people operate the AI, and the task will be done in just one or two people. So this is what I want to say first thing. And second thing is my new pointer, like a 24/7 service by the AI. So when they at the night, when people want to sleep and want to rest, so what kind of people and employee done their task? So they, in this case, there we have the AI, so we can just command the AI, do this task till the morning, do this thing till the morning. So AI done this thing very well, because human need sleep, human rest. When the AI does not need rest and like a sleep, so they do their task at night, to night too. So this is what my pointer to opponent.
Okay, Mahin, very nice pointer made by you. Now I would like to invite Amit from Team Bruce Banner to counter Mahin's points.
Yeah, thank you. So I would like to counter with a little story. So in previous days, what used to happen is we had some work that was a very low level work. Like anyone would have done that, but with time, as the technology increases, we can see that there are some more work that needs human involvement. And in that case, human what discovers is that we can make some technology which can be used to accommodate those works which are not really required for human interference. Like we cannot make a person sit a whole night. We can either use a CCTV camera, and that would work. So a human can also be free for doing more meaningful work. So in that cases, it is allowed, and we can use tools to get humans free from all those cheap work, and can be used for more valuable work. So this is more like a rumor, like it itself bigger upon, and it made a rumor like technology or AI is replacing human beings, but those are not replacing, although they are replacing the places, like in those places which is not very meaningful, and which can be done by easily humans. So I mean, yeah, AI. So humans are still very well helpful, and they are used where more meaningful places are like necessary. So ultimately what I mean to say is human interference is there, and we can mostly see that humans are there where it is necessary, and those cheap works can be left for the tools. Yes.
So nice pointer made by Amit. Now I would like to invite Mahin from Team Jarvis to counter Amit's points.
So first of all, I am I am totally unclear because in like a he say like a twice thing like sometime he add like a AI and his tools is help to done some work, and sometime he and once he said like a AI can place this thing, he mentioned this thing. And this is not what I counter, because this is also fair for us. Like replace the place or human, both I think is same, because AI already replace some places and human for their work, and also will be in future they also take also replace the work and job. So this is what I want to counter that.
Okay, very well countered by Mahin. Now it's turn for Amit, Karan to give some new pointers.
Okay, so now I want to give a pointer because my opponents are giving pointer like they are favoring us because they are repeatedly saying that it is replacing these things, it is replacing these things. So my opponents are somewhere confused. I just want to give new pointer like there is less there are many places, many jobs which are very dangerous, like people working in nuclear plants and all the things. So AI can replace all these things, okay, so that human health can be like human health can be conscious, and it will replace those things, because at those places human lives are majorly in danger, and it is replacing those things. So that's why I'm saying it is replacing every aspect of job day by day, day by day. You can see many things now are done by AI only, like for example, we are coders, okay. Whenever we go into a company, we can see that what coders usually do, they just go on chat gpt, they just copy the code and they just paste it, okay. It is real life thing, and it is happening, and that's why many coders which are not favorable with AI and all the things, it will just they are just going away, and the need of the coders which is maximum at that time, it is lesser in this time only because of AI only, because AI can do much work, and a person who is handling AI and chat gpt all the things perfectly, it's replacing many of the person's work, like it is replacing around 10 people work alone by a person because of AI only. So that's my new pointer for you, like in this place and all those places it's gonna change, like it will take place of the humans. So that's my point.
A nice pointer made by Karan, but somewhere or the other, I was not able to understand what he said. Now I would like to invite Vishal from Team Bruce Banner to counter Karan's points.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, I just directly countering Karan's point. So as Karan said, that there are lots of things happening more efficiently with the help of AI. So hello, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, Vishal, you can go.
Yeah, so just directly come to the point. I'll give you one example, one real life example. That example all guys are encountered. So if we talk about like let's suppose AI is taking interviews, or you are the interviewer, or you are the candidate, and AI is an interviewer who is taking your interview. And in real one if a human take your interview, so human can understand your body language also. He can able to understand what you want to say, or what you know but you don't know how to express that. He can understand all the expressions. He can understand all the body postures if a human is taking your interview. In other hand, if AI is taking your interview, AI is only focusing on the correct facts. If you know something, or you are not able to convey the correct uh, word in a correct word, so AI will not give you marks, or AI will not hire you. So AI is totally based on facts, or totally working on a like on a fact. uh, it is not working like basically it doesn't have the power to.
So now Vishal has made some new pointers. Now I would like to invite Karan from Team Jarvis to counter Vishal's points.
Okay, so as my teammate, sorry, teammate, I was saying as my opponent are saying ki in interviews, what gonna happen if AI will take a charge of this? So we have the best example, like in our Masai only, like for practice, they are giving us AI for practice so that we can practice interviews. And I was saying, we are saying ki it's gonna take, like it is, we are talking about future, so it's gonna take the jobs of the things, like it will replace the human brain or not. We are giving the things in future. So now, right now, when it is in starting phase, it can like we can use it for training for the interviews. So you can think like in future only it can replace the interviewer also, because it can take many creative things and ideas in itself, like it can store many things inside him, and it can take interview very properly and very efficiently. It can also check the body language and all the things, because technology gonna improve. Okay, in the starting phase it is doing that, but in future it's gonna grow more and more. That's what I'm saying. And it will take the job if we will not take it seriously, that we have to do, like we should do some regulations on the AI so that it can be good for us. But more than good, somewhere it is affecting bad on us because of that. And I just want to add one more pointer. Okay, one more little pointer, that because of AI, somewhere our nature also be we are also saving our nature, because when humans are doing works and all the things, there are more pollution and all the things, because we have to travel all the way, like our employees should travel from one place to another and all the things. There are many things, but because of AI, the work can be done from one place and can be done by one person. So it will also helping our nature also. So it can replace, it will replace.
Okay, nice counter by Karan. Now we would be having our last round. Last round, that is conclusion. So we have completed all the rounds. Now it would be the final round, which would be conclusion round. So now I would like to invite the captain Vishal from team Bruce Banner to give the concluding points.
Yeah, thank you, host. So by concluding by all the strong points, so as the opponent team make lots of points, but in conclusion, I'll tell you some very important or strong points on it. So first of all, we all know that humans' brain are more flexible than AI. AI can't think like a human. This is, I think, by which we can agree with that. Okay. And the second thing, innovation. Human can innovate all the things because human has the brain, flexible brain or creative brain. He can think or whatever he want to create, but AI can't create anything whatever he want. AI want instructions. Instructions is only given by the humans only. If like you are said that AI replace the human brains or humans, so somehow the entry level jobs can be affected by AIs, but in biggest job never ever affected by AI. Not affected. It can be changed because some persons who are working on an entry level, they working other thing instead of doing normal or normal works which can be done by AI, because AI is a technology only. It is not a human brain types of flexibility or thinking power like humans. Human made this technology, or human always made before several technologies like AI, which is only helping hands for humans. This is only made for helping humans. This is human can't be affected by AI directly. Yeah, some task is done by AI, and some tasks which is already human doing. Human did some additional task or some top level task, or the entry level task is only done by uh, like AI. And second thing, as the opponent team said, that in today's world that we can type each and anything or just generate the code and copy paste it. So no, this is not true. If you talk about chat gpt, so chat gpt is not yet still as much as advanced that he can generate a website, total website. If you type more than 150 lines code in a chat GPT. Chat GPT give an error that I'm not able to generate more than 150 lines of code. He is not able to generate more than 150 lines of code. Or if you made any website, so there are more than 1000 or 2000 line of codes you have to generate to make a website. So chat GPT can't give a full-fledged website. If you type give me one website, so he is not able to make a website. You need to understand the requirement of the client. You need to understand the emotions of the client. You need to understand the uh, culture, or you need to understand all the things which is only human brain can understand. And AI is not understand. AI can help you to make the website, any part of the website, not total website in a one way. It is only help to make the part of the website, any part of the website, or that's why I told you guys that AI is a helping hand of humans. It can help humans to get more productivity with less time only. AI can't be replace human brain.
So very well concluded by the captain of team Bruce Banner, but it was a bit lengthy and you exceeded your time limit. Now I would like to invite the captain of team Jarvis, that is Mahin, to give her concluding points.
Okay, so first of all, I conclude everything in just 2 minutes. I try. Okay, so first of all, I want to say like a very big thing. We can't ignore the our new technology and with the help us in all the way. So I want to say that also mention we are on the way to make more innovation and creative to AI, and there are so many examples they are available to make more and more AI is the creativity and innovation. And the talk about the flexibility and innovation as the opponent team has added. So yes, human brain has the flexibility and creativity, but human brain are now on the way to add this flexibility and the creativity in the AI also. So this is the very big thing and we can't ignore this. And the opponent team say about the biggest job, so but they can't add any example of the biggest job, because biggest to biggest job is also depend on the AIs also. And the talk about the chat gpt, the chat gpt is not send our like opponent team says they can't generate 150 lines more, because the developer also thought like if someone take the chat gpt like in wrong way and just generate everything, so they also take care of this thing. If someone want to use the ChatGPT in wrong way, so this is not right way. And this is the and ChatGPT don't give them full website, like website code, full more code like that. So this is what I want to mention this, because this is not an error and this is not like a drawback of a ChatGPT, because it is already made like this to stop the wrong stop the avoid the error and wrong way. And in the way, okay, so I want to say AI is tools for helping us, not to just use wrong way. They were for helping us.
So now both the team captains have done with their conclusion. Now it's time for the host to give the final conclusion and throw some light on today's debate topic. That is, the topic is, will artificial intelligence replace human intelligence? So I want to say that although AI is more efficient, more time saving, and more accurate than human intelligence, but still there are some areas in which human artificial intelligence cannot excel. Like there are some areas like medical and healthcare, which needs interpersonal skills and human interpretation in that. But AI can be used to improve lives of employees, jobbers, and they both can go hand in hand. But they can be complement human intelligence. But we can't say that artificial intelligence will entirely replace human intelligence. It can replace to some extent, but not entirely can replace it. So now it's time for the results. So the winner team is Team Bruce Banner. So we are done with our today's debate session, and we are done with the results also. So because I've considered many factors like confidence, grammatical mistakes, communication skills, your body language, and your voice modulation, and your way of delivering your speeches. So I've considered these things to make my decision. So today's session we are going to end. Now we will be back again with yet another day of 21 days impromptu debate challenge tomorrow. So till then, see you guys. Stay tuned and put some likes and comments on our videos if you like them. And it is a very informative and very knowledge gaining debate. So you can also get some insights from these things. So make sure that you watch the whole video, and don't forget to like and comment on this videos. So bye bye. Thank you.